The infamous duckbill in the Jaguar XK x150 models is an evaporator drain tube that allows the condensation to drain from the air conditioning unit. The issue is that the end of the drain tube, called a duckbill due to its shape, gets blocked, resulting in the condensation running back towards the air conditioning unit and leaking into the passenger's footwell. And the biggest problem is that although the duckbill itself is only a few dollars, the recommended way to access the drain is to remove the whole dash panel, obviously resulting in an enormous labour cost. There's been many clever ways to try and solve the issue by cutting the end of the tube with a long-bladed knife or squirting soapy water to try and clear the blockage. Cutting the end of the tube seems to be the DIY solution of choice, and you can access to see the duckbill from the top of the engine by using an endoscope camera. You'll most likely need to use the mirror attachment, and this is the entry point for the endoscope camera. I've put links to the Jaguar forums for possible fixes in the description below. And there are various other Jaguar forums that are awash with possible DIY solutions. Just Google duckbill XKR. But in the real world, there are some facts you should know. 5-litre cars, except for early models, are most likely not affected. According to the Jaguar parts catalogue, a new improved duckbill was introduced at VIN B34499, which was partway through the MY 2010 production run, and it's likely only the early 5-litre models that have got the defective duckbill. And of course, all of the 4.2 engined X150 cars will have the defect duckbill. The replacement part number for affected cars is C2P21646. But all's not lost for those of you that have got an affected car. The good news is that you can do something that may help keep the drain tube open. And the possible maintenance fix is to turn the air temperature as low as possible, close all the vent outlets, and turn the fan on full and run it for about 5 minutes. I'm not going to promise that this will solve the problem for the future, but it's such a simple procedure that it can't do any harm, and at least you'll feel that you've done something that may solve the problem. And if you've got solutions that you know of, please comment below, as your fix may save other owners the expense of removing the whole dash assembly. Thanks for watching.